I don't think that you know, I'm trying hard to show. These days it's hard to tell what's on your mind. Why don't you stop pretend like this is what we planned? I can see the end is coming down. And if I don't look back, will you let me get away? If I turn my back and walk, will you stay? I waited for you. I waited.
I found something freaky.
Yeah.
That you can make your palm go from facing up to facing down without moving your wrist. Do you want to pull your jumper up so people can see that you're not twisting your wrist?
Yeah, so without like doing that.
Yeah.
So you boom, 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 boom.
That is the freakiest thing going on.
It's so weird, it feels like my arm's twisted. Boom, 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 boom. It's so weird!
And that is what we have been doing
Yeah.
all afternoon.
I couldn't make you grab the rope despite my invitations. Every smile a spell of hope. I've been waiting for so long. I have feelings for you.